from Janu. Welcome to Good Food. Here we can see vegetarian and vegan recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to make ghee, that is clarified butter. It's a simple process. Let's see the ingredients for this recipe. You will need 500 grams unsalted pure butter. If you can't get unsalted butter, you can use salted butter as well. Let's see how to make it. You will need a thick bottom vessel or non-stick pan. Once the vessel is hot, add the butter and melt it. Boil it for a couple of minutes. Stir in between. Then it will start to bubble. Later, when you see the bubble formation rising, switch off the flame. Stir a bit so the ghee won't overflow. In those days, my mom used to add moringa leaves to the butter and heat it to make the ghee. Due to this, the ghee will taste good and it will last longer for more days than normal. If you have got fresh tender moringa leaves, you can add it. It will be fried in ghee and taste yummy. You can eat it later. Unfortunately, I don't have the leaves today. Leave it to cool for some time and then you can filter it. Next and final step. For a grainy texture, you will need to close the lid, the small gap, for approximately 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Now the healthy, organic and aromatic pure ghee is ready. Ghee can be stored in an airtight container and it will last more than 2 months. It can also be refrigerated to last for a longer period. In the meantime, let's see some of the benefits of ghee. It heals and repairs digestion and the digestive tract. Nourishes and protects the brain. It is rich in essential health-boosting vitamins, minerals and nutrients like omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids, good cholesterol, vitamin A, E, K2. It's rich in detoxifying physically and emotionally. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell button so that you won't miss our videos.